So lots of our clients and customers are sort of starting to talk about CDPs.
Yeah.
So I was wondering if you could sort of help explain why they're becoming so popular for different companies.
Yeah, definitely. Well, so a CDP or a customer data platform is really the all-in-one sort of database, essentially, where all of your customer information can get stored. So it's a central place where you can connect your sort of web traffic information. You can connect your order management system if you're e-commerce, physical retail point of sale, your support system if you do after sales care, all sorts of other connections. Obviously you can upload customer data into it as well. And the idea is that it gives you that singular customer view. You can really analyze on like a per customer basis or a per cohort basis the longer term behavior of your customers. So that might be activity across a certain channel, or it might be that you are able to, or you want to be able to undertake some RFM modeling. So recency, frequency, monetary value. So you can understand what cohorts and segments of your customers offer you the most value over time. And then off the back of being able to do that type of segmentation, you can then stream that data into different platforms to activate it. So not only can you use a CDP for reporting, you can also use it for activation, which is really, really important. So once you've understood the behaviors and the purchasing patterns of your customers over time, you might then understand, like, you have a lapsing segment, you might have a new customer segment, you might have a high value or high order value segment. You can then treat those customers differently. And that can be across the website, which I know obviously your team are the most interested in. Also synchronizing, or even some of these platforms have marketing automation built in as well. So you can use that in marketing automation campaigns. You can synchronize those segments as well to add audiences too. So it just gives you a lot of power to understand your customers, report on them on aggregate and with everything in mind, and then activate and begin to give that more personalized experience.
I suppose what's really interesting there is the idea that it gets you so close to how your customer's behaving on your website. So you can start to build segments based on the intent of the customer. So for example, if someone's on an e-commerce website and they're looking at delivery information and they're interacting with it, it's very likely that they're going to go on to purchase that product, or at least considering purchasing it, compared to someone who might have just come from, let's say, a paid social advert who's very new to it. So you can start to build out these intent-based segments and these value-based segments. And off the back of that, you can start to personalize your marketing communications and also personalize the website itself. And there's a number of cool features you can use to do that. You can also build out segments and behaviors that perhaps aren't the things you want people to be doing on the website, or could suggest hesitancy. And you can start to sort of dynamically change the website to sort of optimize towards that. So there's tons and tons of opportunity for experimentation, not just on the website, but throughout all of the different areas of the marketing communications, including email, SMS, even things like paid social advertising. So yeah, it's a super exciting opportunity for our clients.
Definitely.